It's been a tiring week. One of those weeks where you're kind of late to everything, like I'm late to yoga right now. I'm taking the day off. I have a couple things to do, and filming this is one of them. I'm gonna go to yoga, come back, take a shower, and probably take a nap. So while I'm doing that, you can catch up on my week. Here's what I do. Tropical storm supposed to be coming in, and it's not that bad. Honestly, if I didn't have this umbrella, I wouldn't give a shit. Whoa, you're killing it. It's easy to get confused in the city when every other store has an annoying, unique boutique name. Just call it coffee shop. Coffee shop 1, coffee shop 2, coffee shop 3, coffee shop 4. I've walked a full past where Google Maps said it would be. Maybe if I did less complaining and more looking. Oh yeah. See, I'm supposed to know that's the logo for Box Kite Coffee. I'm sorry.
That's closed.
Do what?
It's closed.
It's closed? We're gonna have to find a different spot to make the magic happen.
Because I'm not.
We haven't seen each other in like a year and a half, and I'm filming you.
Be like that or what?
All right, homie.
Bye, yo.
Bye, thanks for class.
Are you filming me?
Yeah, what is it?
Oh, my Instagram is OH_Darren. Yeah.
Bye. It's day one of shooting for our series based on our landscaping side hustle, and I honestly couldn't be more tired. Excited. I honestly couldn't be more excited to be showing up tired and late Hey. A little late, baby. But we're here. This is probably the most inconsistent job I have. Not in terms of availability and how much I can work throughout the week, but in terms of work conditions. Sometimes I'm working through hurricanes, lugging 300 pounds of soil. And sometimes I'm eating a hummus sandwich on a roof in Manhattan. Good morning, this is for you. Enjoy your day today. I actually can't be chilling at this table. I gotta go around, make sure irrigation isn't leaking. Terrible view. See you, dude. Look who I ran into. Look at this guy. Hello. You're on my vlog now. All right, good. So my wife often calls me on the job, but I just had to text her, hey, let me call you back when I'm not carrying a million ferns. This could be a tap studio right there. This could be a small theater. This could be a studio where I live. And I could be lost. That's what we call work views. You jealous? Don't be. It's just been a draining week. Tired. Snoozy. Now I'm awake. Off to the next stop.
They don't know shit.
He went down to the basement. I guess now I have to go find Zay. It was supposed to be a simple ice cream trip. Zay.
That was a disaster of a bit.
Where did you go?
I was in the elevator.
Why'd you go to the basement? We have a little bit of a freezer burns. It's time to go. What's the verdict? So this guy right here, he just started talking to me, asked me where I was from. He's from Mexico, so we kind of stumbled through a conversation together. And I've never felt more like a millennial, pulling up Google Translate. Then he asked me if I wanted a coffee. And I said, yeah. And so he's going to get me a coffee. Don't be afraid to engage with strangers here. But you gotta pick your apples. You can't just eat any apple that's fallen off the tree. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Thank you. Boom.
It's hot.
It's very hot. Waste not, want not. All right, buddy.
Hey, love you.
Love you.
Peace.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh my. It's a jackpot. MTA made me late for this play reading. The reading is from 11:30 to 4, and it's getting darker out earlier now. A lot of people would view this day as a lose-lose, but what they don't have, what those people don't have, what I would say those people don't have, is the promise of seeing it tonight in theater. For all you halfway vegans, movie theater popcorn is sometimes vegan because the butter sauce that they use has no dairy in it. Hello there. 22nd floor. I'm gonna hold the door. I got you. Are you headed to a play reading?
Yeah.
Hey!
I'm Sarah.
Michael.
Nice to meet you, Michael.
Nice to meet you. Sorry my hand's cold.
It's all right.
You go ahead.
Wanted to make sure you.
Are you my babysitter now?
We just care about you.
I'm an adult. I can look after myself.
Today's play reading extravaganza is brought to you by a Starbucks coffee. Hey, now it's time to play before I go back to the reading. Yeah, it's time to play before I go back to play. Get real. Don't be worried about me. I'm worried. The majority of my body is on the other side of the aisle.
So yeah, Large always comes for you things. You don't have to be hungry to eat popcorn.
What were you, the god of again?
They're saying you and I, just a couple of hot-headed fools.
No garlic hummus? What is this place? So for all you halfway vegans out there, one thing that you should know is that bacon is good for you. Lots of bacon. Lots of different kinds of bacon. 12 items or less. 1, 2, 9, 10, 11. I'm doing it. I'm going for it. Grocery shopping is gut check time. And by that I mean, just go with your gut. Remember last week when I said you feel yourself take a shower, you feel your practice? Listen to your body. Feel your body when you're grocery shopping. Your stomach knows what it wants. Listen, grab. So we got carrots. This one's open. I hope it's okay. Here's what I had to do today. Yoga. Check. Release and promote episode 2 of my vlog. It's out. Edit, which I've done for about 1, 2, 3. Because I got to get next week's episode ready. And then make dinner. Hi. I'm going to eat these leftovers. I'm going to mix some hummus in there and some mushrooms. And it's going to be banging. Banging. Chink, 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 chink. Say it again now. Nah. They don't go in here. They go on the shelf. I gotta go catch up with them. They're getting pizza. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Inception.
I got it. Yeah, it's all for the vlog, baby. It's for you guys.
But she doesn't make any money from it. You don't understand.
Look who I ran into.
Oh, look where I'm like, oh, is taking a picture?
Yeah, here goes. See? Here, smile. 1, 2, 3.